Hey everyone, and welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage. Today we're going to show you a very common repair that I see a lot of, and that is the fuel tank replacement. I get a lot of these cars that have been sitting for too long, have built up just tons of varnish and debris inside the tanks. I see them leaking, I see them dented, all sorts of reasons why they would get replaced. Fairly easy. Almost anyone with average mechanical skills is very capable of doing this job. I'm going to go through my steps as far as what I do to do these tank replacements. We'll start that right now. I'll show you the stuff I use to complete the job: fuel tank mounting hardware, fuel filler neck gasket. We have fuel filler neck hardware, fuel filler neck, not really necessary, but I do like to replace those, along with the collar for that. Always do a fuel level sender when doing these replacements. These are quite prone to going bad, so I'm always going to throw a new one of those in there, along with our new tank. Okay, first step in removing the fuel tank is disconnect your electrical connector for your fuel level sender, your fuel hose, drain the tank if there's any fuel in there, and that is all you need to do from underneath this car as far as taking the tank out. Everything else can be done from up top. Undo the filler neck mounting screws. Undo the hose clamps for the filler neck hose. Once you got the clamps off, you can kind of twitch it a little bit, and it should come right off. This is why I like to replace these. They just get dry and cracked, and it is just not worth reusing these. Okay, once all the mounting bolts and screws are off, that's pretty much it. So this is sealed in there, but a lot of times just barely pulling on it will get it to come right out. And that there is your fuel tank removal process. By far probably the easiest of the process. And then what we're going to want to do is prep and clean all this area here, seal it, and get our new tank in.